Greasy. You guys checking out my greasy hair? Wanna check out my dog on Christmas?
Pretty cool.
Nice.
The light is following you. You stink?
Huh?
You stink?
No. It's getting warm.
He's putting a light to the help you.
Right, I appreciate it.
Hey, that's gonna go on YouTube.
You recording it?
Yeah.
I'm famous. They call me deodorant, dude. You can stop.
Why, Justin? What's wrong? Justin.
Oh, this is so nice. It's nice and cold. Are you still recording? You should just stop it already.
Now he wants to fight you.
Yeah, but it's been on for too long. Ruining any good video that could have came from that. Was that still? Were you recording? I was talking about my hair.
Yeah.
Oh.
And when you put deodorant on.
Well, the owner doesn't care about that.
Now he's trying to hide. He's getting camera shy.